Hey everyone, so in this video I want to review our discussion of the Production Possibilities Frontier, or the PPF, and set up a discussion or an explanation about why the PPF looks the way it does. So first I just want to review what we discussed in class. So we thought about a hypothetical economy that only produces two goods, okay? And we said that the Production Possibility Frontier shows us the maximum quantity of output of the two goods that can be produced if the economy uses all the available resources and given the prevailing production technology. So we showed this graphically, right? We thought about an economy that might produce only two things. The classic example is to use guns and butter. Okay. So, of course, this is unrealistic. We're not going to have an economy that only produces two things, guns and butter. But this is just going to help us have a more nuanced understanding of opportunity cost. So, if we think about using all of the available resources, we said that the maximum quantity of the two goods could be anywhere on this curve that we call the PPF. So if this economy produces only guns and zero butter, then we're right here. If we produce all butter, no guns, we're right here. And we can produce anywhere on this curve or below the curve if we want to. Okay, so we said that if an economy is producing on this curve, then it's using its available resources efficiently. So we'll say that this point is efficient. Okay. If we're producing somewhere within the PPF, say right here, then we'll say that this economy is using the resources inefficiently. Okay, because we could use our available resources and produce more of each good and get closer to the PPF. Okay, so we could do better in the sense that we could produce more stuff. Any place outside of the PPF is impossible. Okay, unless we have some change in available resources or there's some change in technology, right? So we said that it has this bowed out shape, right? And the question is why? So why does it have this shape? Okay, and we said it has that shape because it represents the increasing opportunity cost of producing one good in terms of the other. So what I want to do in the next few videos is provide a more detailed explanation of why that is, and I think that it'll help you have a more in-depth understanding about where this came to be. So in order to do that, we need a few more tools. And the main tool that we need next is to understand production functions. And that's something that we're going to talk a lot about when we get to producer theory. But for now, in the next video, I'm just going to introduce this idea because that's going to enable us to derive the PPF or a curve with this shape that shows us what we can get if we use all of our resources. Okay, so that'll be the next video, and then we'll come back and put it all together and derive the PPF. Okay, I'll see you all then.